It makes me angry that women learn this lesson too late, when they can no longer do anything about it. Look at her. She's 25 years old and looks exactly how she wants. She's walking with her boyfriend, but she could have any man she wants. The 40-year-old millionaire hits on her. The 35-year-old entrepreneur hits on her. Wherever she goes, she turns heads. And she could trade her boyfriend tomorrow for someone 15 times richer than him. But she wants to be with her boyfriend. She's betting on a life together. Now imagine her boyfriend brainwashes her. He convinces her that marriage isn't necessary, and she doesn't realize that the balance of power is gradually going to shift. Here's the typical tragedy. A few years have passed, and now they're both 37 and have 2 children. She had a promising career, but she sacrificed it for her family to spend more time with her children. He's a smart, hardworking man, and now he's the CEO of the company where he works. If they were to separate today, with her being 37, jobless, and with 2 small children, how many of the interesting candidates she had before do you think are left for her now? On the other hand, look at him. Nobody paid attention to him before. But today, as a director, he earns an absurd amount of money. He's gained a lot of status, he's still young, and he's in shape. Back then, nobody noticed him, but today at the office, the gym, and yoga class, women are throwing themselves at him. A few years ago, he told her marriage wasn't necessary, that it was just a piece of paper imposed by society. And today, he tells her he doesn't feel the same way about her anymore. Conveniently, just when the scales tipped in his favor. Now it's a bit late, but 12 years ago she should have told him, "Today I'm young, I'm gorgeous, and I have a promising career. I have 200 options of men who would want to be with me, but I want you. I want to spend a life with you. If you want the same, let's enter into a contract called marriage, in which today I give up all the suitors I have, and you give up all the options you don't have today, but will have in the future. Now, if you don't want to, that's fine. Just don't waste my time. Because while I'm young, I have many options, and I can find someone who wants the same thing as me, who is sure about me, and who actually wants to commit to me. In 5 years, I won't be in this position anymore. And in 10 years, even less so. So tell me, is it in your plans to commit to me or not? It's never too late, but I recommend reading this book before you turn 30, because it shows you how making small changes in your habits can soon put you in a very different place. It's called Atomic Habits. In the first video on my profile, I'll show you how to download it for free.